Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, then baby, welcome to the party. And as you can see from the title of the video, I'm doing a vegan soul food meal. So what I'm doing right now is I'm mixing up my batter. So I am using the fried chicken, I believe that's what it is, fried chicken, and I'm mixing that with almond milk to make a liquid batter, if that makes sense. And I'm adding my seasonings, Lawry's adobo, I think it's Tony's sachet seasoning, and pepper. So I'm just mixing that up. As you can see, I have my water boiling for my macaroni noodles. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. Okay, so now I'm washing off the cauliflower and I'm cutting it up. I believe you can already get it cut up in a bag, but I thought it was cheaper to just get the whole head of cauliflower and cut it up myself. So as you can see, I have a separate bowl and I'm pouring the dry batter in there. And what you're going to see me do is dip the cauliflower into the wet batter that I previously made with the milk and the batter. And I'm going to dip that in the dry batter, just the batter, and then fry that with my vegetable oil. And as you can see, the same seasonings that I use in the batter, I'm using that to season the cauliflower. Lots of seasoning, and I know I'm heavy-handed with the seasoning, but hey, you gotta have flavorful food. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just dipping the cauliflower and then I'm gonna fry it. It didn't take long to fry. It's not meat, obviously, so I mean, it cooks very fast. Really, you're just looking for the batter to turn brown. So I would let it fry maybe about 1 to 2 minutes, and then I transferred it to a plate. As you can see, it is crispy. And now I'm adding my almond milk. This is the pot with the macaroni noodles. So I'm adding my almond milk and cheese. This is not Daya cheese. I forgot the name of this cheese, but I did get it from Harris Teeter. And I ended up using 2 packs of it. Like I said, I don't remember the name, but if you check out my previous video, my grocery store haul, I did mention the name of this cheese. So I'm just stirring this, and of course it's vegan, so I am not adding egg or butter. Again, coming in with the seasoning, Lawry seasoning, and I did add pepper to this and a little bit of salt. So you can see it looks really legit. It's really creamy, and I'm just going to go ahead and bake that at 350 for about 30 minutes. I melted butter for the cornbread. The cornbread isn't necessarily vegan. I would say vegetarian because I did add butter, but I did not add egg to the cornbread. So I just added almond milk and melted butter to the cornbread mix. I have my greens right here, pretty simple. I added a little bit of liquid soap. Sorry, not liquid soap, liquid smoke. This is Stubbs liquid smoke. I added that to give it like a smoky flavor. Secret ingredient, sugar and pepper. And I'm just gonna mix that up and let that cook on the stove, and that's pretty simple for the greens. Add a little bit of salt, and I know you're probably thinking ew, sugar, but the sugar just balances everything out, so you really can't taste the sugar. I have the cornbread and the macaroni baking in the oven. As you can see, the greens are looking good. Mac is looking good, and everything is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a vegan/vegetarian soul food meal. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like,